Hello, and welcome to Official Senior Health, where every day we empower you with the knowledge to live your best, healthiest life. Today, we're diving into a topic that surprises many seniors. Not all vegetables are created equal. While our grandmothers told us to eat our greens, there are in fact three vegetables that for seniors can do more harm than good, and three others you absolutely should be enjoying daily to boost your energy, support your heart, and keep you feeling vibrant well into your golden years. So stick with me, because what you learn today could transform how you feel tomorrow morning. Have you ever woken up with that uncomfortable sense of fullness, a bloated belly, or even a bit of indigestion that lingers all day? Here's the first shocker. Those innocent-looking raw cruciferous vegetables, think cabbage, kale, and broccoli, can be the culprits. Now, before you gasp, I know what you're thinking, but they're the poster children of healthy eating. And yes, when lightly cooked, they're wonderful, but when seniors eat them raw, the high fiber and sulfur-containing compounds can overwhelm a digestive system that's naturally slowing down with age. Over time, that can lead to chronic bloating, gas, and even discomfort that keeps you from walking the dog or enjoying time with the grandkids. So next time you reach for that crunchy raw kale salad, pause for a moment and ask, is my gut ready for this? Here's something you won't want to miss. Studies have shown that the enzyme myrosinase, released when cruciferous vegetables are chopped or chewed, produces compounds that can irritate sensitive digestive linings, especially in people over 65 whose stomach acid production may be reduced. Cooking these veggies gently for just 5 minutes breaks down most of those harsh compounds, making them friendlier to your system. Hang on, because we've barely scratched the surface of what to watch out for. Moving on to our second avoid-at-all-costs vegetable, the humble spinach. Yes, that vibrant leafy green that Popeye so adored. But spinach comes with a hidden danger for seniors: oxalates. These naturally occurring substances can bind with calcium in your body, creating crystals that settle in your kidneys. For older adults, the risk of kidney stones skyrockets when you overload on high oxalate foods like spinach, especially if you're not drinking enough water. Imagine waking up at 2 a.m. in pain because of a kidney stone. Trust me, you don't want that. Spinach also contains significant amounts of vitamin K, which can interfere with common blood-thinning medications many seniors rely on to protect against heart attacks and strokes. If you're taking warfarin or similar drugs, suddenly doubling down on spinach salads can send your medication's effectiveness into chaos. Stay tuned, because later I'll share a delicious swap that keeps your plate colorful without risking your kidneys or clashing with your prescriptions. Finally, let's talk about what might be the most surprising entry on our avoid list: white potatoes. Yes, the classic side dish, mashed, baked, or fried, can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels. For seniors with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, the high glycemic index of white potatoes sends your glucose rocketing upward, then crashing down, leaving you fatigued, irritable, and craving more carbs to feel normal again. You won't believe how a simple switch can stabilize your energy all day long. More on that in just a moment. Now, I know you might be thinking, this is devastating. What can I eat? Here's where it gets exciting. Because while those three veggies may be off limits or need careful preparation, there are three superstar vegetables you should be piling onto your plate every single day. And they're not only delicious and easy to prepare, but they also pack the perfect balance of nutrients for mature bodies. First up, broccoli, but with a twist. Instead of raw florets, opt for lightly steamed or sautéed broccoli. This gentle cooking method neutralizes the same tough compounds that made raw cruciferous vegetables a problem, while preserving the sulforaphane that supports detoxification pathways in your liver, crucial for keeping your immune system sharp. Broccoli is also rich in fiber and vitamin C, which work together to promote healthy skin and collagen production, so you'll enjoy resilient joints and a glowing complexion. Can you imagine how satisfying it feels to bite into tender, vibrant green broccoli, knowing each mouthful is strengthening your defenses against heart disease and supporting healthy blood pressure? Next on our Eat Daily list is the sweet potato. Far from the glycemic roller coaster of white potatoes, sweet potatoes offer complex carbohydrates and a rich source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, vital for maintaining good vision, especially in low light. As we age, our eyes need all the support they can get, and sweet potatoes deliver. Plus, they're loaded with potassium, helping to regulate fluid balance and keep those pesky leg cramps at bay during the night. Stick around, because I'll share a simple 3-ingredient recipe that transforms sweet potatoes into a savory side dish even non-carb lovers will adore. Last, but by no means least, are bell peppers. These colorful jewels come in red, yellow, and orange varieties, each brimming with antioxidants like vitamin C and carotenoids. For seniors, bolstering antioxidant intake is about more than just fighting off colds. It's about protecting brain cells, supporting cognitive health, and even reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. And bell peppers are a breeze to incorporate. Slice them into strips for dipping, toss them into morning omelets, or roast them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs for a snack that satisfies both your taste buds and your health goals. You won't want to miss my secret tip for unlocking even more nutrients from those peppers, coming up right after this quick break. Welcome back. As promised, here's that extra tip for maximizing the nutritional punch of bell peppers. Gently heat them with a splash of olive oil and a sprinkle of lemon juice. The healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, and the acid brightens their flavor, turning a simple bell pepper into a gourmet delight that supports heart health and aids digestion. Now imagine this. You start your day with a broccoli and pepper omelet, enjoy a side of roasted sweet potato for lunch, and finish with a lightly steamed medley of vegetables for dinner. No bloating, balanced blood sugar, and a kitchen full of vibrant color. Doesn't that sound like a recipe for feeling unstoppable at 70, 80, or beyond? As we wrap up, let's recap the 3 vegetables to avoid or prepare with caution: raw, cruciferous, high oxalate spinach and white potatoes, and the 3 you should cherish daily: steamed broccoli, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers. Making these simple swaps can reduce digestive discomfort, stabilize your energy levels, and flood your body with nutrients that support every system, from your heart to your brain. Thank you for watching Official Senior Health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly tips for vibrant senior living. And share in the comments. Which of these swaps are you most excited to try? Your journey to better health starts with each bite, so let's make everyone count. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep thriving.